So, Lord of the Flies is a piece by Matthew Bourne and Scott Ambler, so far involving over 7,000 young lads from across all over the country. And the aim is to just sort of change the landscape of dance, really, getting lads into the theatre, and we roughly have about 20 to 24 young lads from the ages of from 9 up to about 22. Like half that have had no experience whatsoever, so they're just, normal lads. Others that maybe have a little bit of experience, bringing those together to work with our professionals and to put on our amazing show. We're doing 3-hour rehearsals, but all this week is quite intensive after you've done a school day's work and then come straight here, travelling time, etc. And unfortunately, the first thing that we start working on is marching, which is the opening part of the piece, which is all about lines and going around each other, and it's all got to be crisp. But these lads are awesome. They're brilliant. We've got a really lovely mix, and they all seem really up for it. So really looking forward to getting marching done, and then we can have a bit more fun. With our shows, it's you're always telling a story. There's always a reason why that choreography is in there, so it's not just a random sort of leg kick or anything, the sort of the savage stuff. It's sort of spears and or sort of you're hacking at something, or sort of this very sort of tribal dances and stuff. So I don't know. Well, we are in Wales, so the closest you'd be to is like a haka in rugby or something, So for the lads in this show is particularly very challenging, because they don't just come on stage and do like a little ditty and then off again. It's they're joining new adventures, so I treat them as professionals, and they're going to be doing the hours that professionals are doing. But the lovely thing about it is they get to create their own characters, so they all have a character sheet that they'll fill out, give themselves a backstory, which is great, which you never get to have as a professional in the industry. Very, very, very rarely. It's always like you do this, you do that. So that's fantastic, and then also they get to create choreography within the show, which is again marvellous. It's bringing boys together and seeing what they create from like a little 9 or 10-year-old to a 22-year-old are going to be completely different in how they interact with each other. So that process is brilliant. It's really rewarding for me to watch and to be a part of, because they're creating, which is what it's all about. So it's going to be great. It's going to be great, and especially on this stage, it's going to look incredible, which is really, really nice. We've been in some tight places before, so I'm happy.